Hey, what is up, guys? RG here. So today I'm gonna be making an annoying, loud noise maker. Like, look, you guys might know how to make this, but listen. Wait. That's an example of that. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make it. All you need are just scissors and printer paper, or any piece of paper, and then you just have to cut it out. All right? You have to cut it out, like in a square, like almost like a origami paper piece of paper, but like just like a rectangle. All right? Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah. Alright. Sorry guys. Sorry, like really sorry. Alright, you should have a piece of rectangle. Now fold it in half. Alright. Make sure it's good. Alright. Okay. Now get your scissors, cut out 2 triangles. Right. Another one. There should be only 2 like this, right? Oh my gosh, this is about to be really bad. Alright, now fold it from here to down, not all the way down. Oh my gosh. Alright, now you made yourself annoying loud noise. Like that. Alright, I'm gonna go back. So bye now. So bye, robots. Like, comment down below, and subscribe. So bye.